Hey, how are you? Have you ever wondered what the big successful entrepreneurs are doing in Facebook in regards to their Facebook ads? What their tactics are, what kind of images they're using, or their videos, or their text, and what their tricks and tips are? Did you know that that material is actually accessible to you? I know, I have a big secret for you. So I'm Lindsay Phillips of Smooth Sailing Business Growth, where we help you attract and acquire customers faster through powerful content marketing. And we help you with all your social media, your blogs, your sales funnels, and all that good stuff. But today I'm going to chat quickly, and I'm actually going to share my screen and show you where you can find this amazing information of what they're all doing. So I'm going to share my screen. It's actually public knowledge now. Don't know if you knew that. So if you go to, I don't know if you know Dan Lok, but I definitely recommend following him. He is huge and his Facebook ads are crushing it. But if you go to someone's Facebook business page, you will see a button that says info and ads. And you'll see here that their information is disclosed. In fact, you will see not only all the active ads that they have out currently, but you can even see where they're targeting different countries. So I also checked out, because I do follow Frank Kern, his Facebook ads are fabulous as well. And I've noticed he's actually doing a lot of Facebook ads that are more like him walking around with a camera. They're not contrived. They're not, what's the word I'm looking for? Produced. So you can kind of, you can see what text they're using, what their video looks like. See, he's got kind of the square IG Instagram style with the text. You can see his longer text style ones. Obviously, he's using emojis. This is huge information, right? To see what these big successful entrepreneurs that are running, 7, 8, 9-figure businesses and what their Facebook marketing techniques are. So if you, in your industry, whether it's Frank Kern or Dan Lok or whoever, or your specific niche, check out their Facebook business pages and go to that info and ads section, and you can see what they're doing and what kind of Facebook ads they're doing. Who knows, you might pick up some amazing tips, whether it's copywriting, images, the videos, killer information to know. So that's it for today. I wish you a profitable and productive week, and may the winds always be at your back. If you are looking for help with social media, sales funnels, and any form of content marketing, be sure to go to smoothbusinessgrowth.com.